This is the Batt Screed that we manufacture here at Curb Roller as well. It's the first battery-powered roller screed available on the market today. We saw where the market was going and the need to be portable, mobile, and also the green energy push that guys are trying to be as least polluting as possible. And we partnered with DeWalt. We use the DeWalt Flex Volt batteries, which give a pretty substantial run time. Operators are typically able to get 18 to 2,500 square feet of pour out of one battery charge. We work with the DeWalt platform. We're giving contractors the ability to go to any available DeWalt dealer and they can pick up additional batteries or replace a battery that once it's through its lifespan. This system was specifically designed with the smaller contractor in mind, so it's very economical and very portable. It connects to a 4-inch Schedule 40 aluminum pipe that they can purchase through us or they can get through a local steel or aluminum supplier. It connects to this pipe with an insert that when it's inserted in the pipe and you tighten the bolts, it will expand and lock it in place. The reason why this is key is because we can send this to a contractor in rural Canada or New Mexico, and he doesn't have to pay the freight, which is extremely expensive, to transport the pipe. He can purchase it locally. So we're keeping his costs down. Some of the key things about this system: it's variable speed. Obviously, we talked about it's battery powered. We have a built-in lifting handle here, so they can lift it if they need to move it from one pour section to the other. It's outfitted with a kickstand that keeps it up off the ground during the pour, so that keeps the contractor's investment up out of the mud and gives it a longer lifespan. The handle also will pivot with one pull pin to 3 different operating positions. We also think of moving on to the next job for guys. So it operates, it connects with one pull pin to the end. Once you pull out that pin, you can disconnect it. And then with this pull pin, you can fold the machine up. The handle stows away as well. So the contractor can store his investment in a safe, locked toolbox, vehicle, or other means. He's not worried about damage or it being taken. And that gives the ability to easily go between different jobs or attach to different lengths of pipe.